more of a
Just in case,
variety.
because like if you think about like maybe Costco, I don't know if you have access to a Costco.
Yeah.
I wonder if their bars are different than like what you find at Walmart. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Well, and then I was gonna ask too, what's our
sample size?
What's our base? Like, are we gonna call the company and ask them what it was 10 years ago, or like what are we comparing this to?
I think we should compare it to the 2.4 ounces they print on every package.
Okay.
Because I am suspicious they are totally less than 2.4 ounces.
Taylor, if you need a help with that, I mean, I can go out there too and measure something.
Yeah,
we're different states.
That would help a lot. Yeah.
Yeah, because I think if each of us kind of measure some, then you don't have to do it all, because that's a lot.
Yeah. Well, these you guys were talking about the Cliff bars, correct?
Right.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I can get myself a handful of them, or however many we need for the project, and I can, take those measurements and then send them over, Taylor, if you want.
Okay. Yeah. I think I can make maybe like a Excel sheet, and send that out so that we can all work on it. And I don't know what the major stores are in your guys' areas, but I have like Fred Meyer, Albertsons, Walmart. I could try Costco.
Let's see.
How many samples do you need me to get? And from, as far as, I have a handful of stores within our vicinity too. I got Costco, I got Jewel, I have Meyer, I have Walmart, I have Target. So,
Oh yeah, Target. I didn't think of Target.
Well, I think as long as we get at least 30 samples from each location.
Yeah. So maybe even just 3 major stores with 10 bars each, if we measure 10 bars each.
So do you feel Albertson, I think it's Jewel, if I'm not mistaken, in our area, or at least compatible to it. So if you're going to hit Albertson, then I should just take another one. Maybe, I can do Target if you want. I can do Walmart if you like. What's another one? Or I could even, did you say you were going to do Costco?
I don't know.
I'll do Costco.
Oh, okay.
I'll do Costco.
Okay. Well, I can do, like I said, Target. I can do the Walmart, and if you want me to make another stop, I can do another stop.
How about we'll just put you on Target?
Target? Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'll take Walmart then.
Okay. I won't tell my wife anything about Target.
Yeah. That's why I didn't suggest it, because I would come out with $80 Cliff bars. So.
Yeah. Okay.
Remember, when you're there,
take a picture.
Dude, heck no, I have to get them from Costco and eat them in the parking lot.
Are you playing that, Ben?
You gotta do it. You gotta sing it.
Dude, that's awesome.
Anyway, just kidding.
Ben, which store do you want to take?
Hey, I'm a Walmart guy. Why not?
You're a Walmart too?
Oh, okay. Can we do more than...
Honestly, there's a drugstore here that sells them. I could go there.
That'd be better.
Oh, that makes sense.
They're called Fruth. Fruth. Like rhymes with truth.
That is the weirdest name. Like, who came up with that?
I did not kill Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. So I can do Fruth.
And then we'll also need to make sure that we have our controls to measure outside of the packaging, because I don't think I'm going to buy any. I'm just gonna measure them in the store. So I'll buy one and then take it out of the package, measure the package.
Yeah.
And I don't know if the package will be that much different though in weight.
Well, it won't be that much different, but it will add.
Yeah.
It will.
Okay. Thanks for creating that, Susanna. That Excel file.
Yeah, I'll share it with you guys too. Cool. So
30 bars each, right?
Yeah, so I made a list of just like 30. So this is over here's like the count, and then you can just like put in your different measurements.
So does it have to be chocolate chip?
Yeah, it has to. We have to keep it the same.
Okay, I want to hopefully. All right. Hopefully they'll have it. I just want to make sure that if they didn't, I didn't want to change the flavor on you girls.
Well, I'm just thinking like macadamia nut bars are probably going to be a little bit heavier. Maybe not. I don't know. I just feel like if we keep everything the same, then
yep.
Yeah.
So we're all each gonna measure 30 then?
Yeah, we have to keep the sample size, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
This is so fun. Yeah.
What if, I don't want to be like the statistical outlier here, okay? But in the event that this drugstore doesn't have 30 on the shelf that I can measure, we're okay with just whatever's available, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Ben, you need to ask them to create a special order just for you for 30 Cliff Bars.
Exactly. I agree.
Man,
I'm sure they got them in the back stock. Just send the guy in the cashier.
that's right. Just go on the shipment day, man.
Yeah, right. Go on the shipment day. This is gonna be so funny. They're gonna look at me like I'm weird.
We should, since we're all measuring the things, we should all take a selfie while we're in the aisles and then post it at the end of our presentation. So Ben, you're in charge of that. Everybody has to send a selfie to Ben so you can put it in the PowerPoint.
Not only are we gonna look all weird measuring a bar in a store, but now you want us to take a selfie with it.
Yes.
And a selfie with your measurer, the
scale
you're using, a chair that you're sitting on the floor.
Oh goodness. I don't even know where I'm gonna get a scale. Cause I'm like traveling, I won't be home. Like I won't be in Arizona for another 3 weeks. But I'll figure something out.
So remind me again, I thought we were measuring the length, not the weight.
No, we're measuring
the weight.
Okay.
So we need scales.
So I'm gonna, I can walk in there with my bathroom scale and hold one, step on it. Yeah, step on it. Step off, put it down, step on it.
Oh my gosh.
Just make sure
do it 30 times.
You can go get you can go to probably Walmart and get just those little food scales that measure in ounces.
Yeah, okay.
They're probably
and then return it after you're done.
Yeah, return it when you're done, or just use it while you're in the store measuring.
Yes, exactly.
Bring it back on the shelf.
And I can play the Mission Impossible theme song while I'm doing this.
Please, Ben. Make a video, man.
You've got to have background music.
Of course. Of course.
That's awesome.
This is awesome.
So are we, do you want the weight out of the package or in the package?
Well, preferably out of the package.
Okay.
Because the package does add some weight.
Okay.
So that's why if you do like what Taylor was going to do is, you could buy one and get it as a base, see how much that packaging weighs. Okay. And then you could measure them outside the package and then just deduct what that package weight is.
Got it.
Because the packaging should, obviously that could still differ as well, but it should be relatively close.
Oh, no. The packages are the same. Trust me. They've been that way for years.
They print those off, so those should be pretty exact.
Non-microwavable.
Wait, what? Okay, you guys are the best. Just to let you know.
Are you? You're throwing that on the shared file. Cool. So that way we can just plug in the weight. Okay.
Okay. Wait, no, wrong one. Here, let me just put it in the.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa! Multiple screens. That's cool.
You like that? You want to see it again?
Whoa! Yeah, look at that. It's like dimensional. It's pretty cool.
Cool. Awesome. All right. I guess we should take the quiz, yeah?
I guess
Quick question before we go there. Just one quick question. So back on the final project document, question number 6, just to confirm, because this affects my question number 10. We are choosing number 5 as our statistical method.
I believe you're correct, sir.
Okay.
Any opposed?
I wasn't listening. What were you choosing? Sorry.
Taylor, pay attention. Gosh.
I know. I'm sorry.
No,
Yeah,
I think
10.
we're gonna choose ANOVA. ANOVA.
ANOVA. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Great.
Wait. Hang on. The hypothesis for the ANOVA tests, like, I need a reminder about what that is, because if we're saying that the mean weight is 2.4 ounces, then is the ANOVA for an unknown?
Couldn't we just
Wait. What?
Let me find my sheet.
Let's see. ANOVA. Lesson 14. Requirements of ANOVA. So the data are normally distributed in each group.
Could we just use a one sample t-test?
A QQ plot.
What if we just did what if we just did that? Because then instead of breaking it up, like,
well, I guess are we gonna I guess we're gonna label it by store though, right? And we have more than 3 or more than one variable, so it would
yeah,
be
I guess
it would be
ANOVA.
because we're using essentially 6 different locations, right?
Right.
Or 5, maybe 6 if Levi's here, but at least 5. So
Perfect. Let's just go with that. And if our professor says to do something different, then we can just do that.
So for 7, number 7 on that design the study thing, it'll just be one sample t-test.
I think we decided on ANOVA. Is that right, Jared? Is that what you were saying?
that's what I was just thinking, just because we're identifying different stores. And just like
Right.
in our homework, when they identified like different states and stuff, we had to outline this is the one that we had to use.
Okay.
So that it would compare it all, right? Because is that what
Yes.
we're comparing it all into one document, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So then this would make the most sense.
Okay.
So then our hypothesis is that all the means are equal.
Right.
Okay.
And then the alternative is that
They're
they
different.
are,
Not equal. Right?
Yep.
at least one of the means differs is the alternative.
That's right. Yep.
Sorry, Taylor, I'm going to erase some of your stuff.
Yeah.
I guess maybe if you just want to like go back later and rewrite that into a comprehensive statement. I don't know. Or do that now, whatever. My brain's not really working right now. Sorry, guys.
I'll do it later.
Okay. Sweet. This is so fun. Oh my gosh. Okay, cool. Any more questions?
Now let's tackle this bad boy.
I can
Yeah,
start reading if you like me to.
go for it.
All right. Let's get this here back. Okay, so come on, computer. Come on. Okay, so the symbol for the true population proportion is which of the following? And let's see. This is chapter 17, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Funky. My computer is super slow here, so I'm just trying to based on my notes. Okay, so for question 3, I have C.
Yep. That's what I got.
And then the fourth one, it says the requirements for constructing a confidence interval are satisfied. This was for the. I should have read the wording. It says for the next 2 questions, suppose n equals 100, p equals 0.25, and p equals 0 or 0.10, and then I put on the true A for 4.
Yeah.
Okay. And then I can keep going, guys, unless you or someone wants to take the mic.
Yeah, we've missed your
I think
voice.
you're doing.
Okay, so there we go. So 3, or not 3. Never mind. Okay, let's see. The requirements for conducting a hypothesis test are satisfied. True.
True.
Yep.
Let's see here. A study of the first-degree murder trial was conducted in another state. A random sample of 60 people on trial for the first-degree murder was taken. Of these, 45 of the defendants were found guilty. It says find the P, the point estimate of the proportion of the first-degree murder defendants who are found guilty in this state. I have on when I worked this out earlier, and I had came up with 0.75.
Yep.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then
So it wants 3 decimals, so you may want to add 0.750 just for fun.
okay.
I don't know if they would mark it wrong since it is a 0, but just in case.
Well,
You know, my luck, they would mark it wrong. So I'm just saying.
all right. 0.70 or 0.750 then.
There you go.
Then I have create a 95% confidence interval for the 3 proportions of the first-degree murder trials in the state. The verdict is guilty, and put your answer for the margin of error, lower bound and upper bound. That one, so I had 0.11, but I'm just gonna go back to the same thing a minute ago. So I'm just gonna add the 0. I had 0, but it's 0.110. Final answer.
You're
Yeah.
using
Yeah.
And then it's the input, the lower bound. That one I got 0.640.
Yep.
If you, what is it? So if you increase the sample size from 60 to 80, what do you expect to happen to the width of the confidence interval? That one, I believe it's a decrease, and that's just my gut feeling.
Yes.
That is correct.
Okay.
Because if you increase the sample size, then the confidence interval gets smaller and smaller.
Okay. I don't have the next 2, but I got the following, so.
Or I'll read 11. To conduct a hypothesis test for one proportion, 2 requirements must be met. Suppose P equals 1/2. What is the smallest N can be? Both requirements still be met. So if it's 0.5 and it has to be greater than at least 10 or equal to, then that means it's got to be 20.
Mhm.
So with these specific questions, I've noticed that the N, if you add a 0 to the to 2, then that's their answer.
Okay.
But
Right.
I don't know if
Oh, interesting. Yeah.
if
I mean,
that works
Very.
out.
because
but I
question
know-
12 would be 100. So
100, yeah.
that's
So-
interesting.
Look at that.
I like that. Cut corners.
Yeah.
Believe me, I need that.
So I guess I could pick up again on that one there. The condition for conducting a hypothesis test are satisfied. True.
Let's plug in the, let's see. Yeah, I got true.
And then we have, so what is P? I worked that one out too, and I got 0.475.
Yep.
4.75.
Okay, and I and I ended up with nothing on the other questions there.
So test.
All right, we'll get him as soon as she plugs us in.
Okay.
Oh wait, are you waiting for me?
Yeah. We're waiting on you.
Sorry, guys. I'm a little slow.
Oh, there we go. Okay, so the Z is negative 2.282. So question 15 is negative 2.282. Question 16 is 0.011. Which means we reject the null on 17. And 18,
I think
it would be D. There is sufficient evidence to conclude that water quality in the area has been decreased. Right?
I think so, yeah.
I really suck at those questions. So
What was 17 again? I'm sorry, I was still typing here.
17 is reject the null.
Yeah, okay, because it's less than.
P is low. The null must go.
Right.
Gotta go, gotta go.
Gonna be my. Okay, wait, Jared, were you basing your answers or like off of my spreadsheet that I have open here, or did you like work it out on your own spreadsheet?
I have it on my spreadsheet and it matches you, so I'm assuming that.
Okay. Perfect. That's what I wanted to know, because I was like, I just wanted to like, by the mouth of 2 or 3.
Well, now that we know that the spreadsheets don't produce the same number sometimes, so.
Golly, really though.
When I don't punch in all the numbers.
But that's where I'm at. Oh, that's why. Okay, I didn't change it to less than. My p-value was 0.989.
I know that. Why. I forget to switch that.
Yeah. Switch it up. Switch it up.
You guys, that was like record time. I'm so proud of us.
Yeah, great. We got it in half an hour.
Did we get 100%?
Yeah, we did.
Yep.
Woo!
Is the homework quiz pretty similar to this? Have you guys taken that yet?
Yeah, it's easy.
No, not yet.
You haven't taken it?
Oh.
Okay. Just use the spreadsheet. You'll be fine.
Okay. Yeah, it's not bad. Like the group quiz is always easier because there's all of us than the homework, but there was only one question on the homework that screwed me up, which is what I sent earlier. But otherwise, it was all right. Just read it carefully.
Yeah. So question 11 is talking about the mean, not the proportion. So watch out.
Yeah, I just didn't read it carefully enough on the true mean, and then that it was already normal. So
yeah,
I figured, hey, it's lesson 17, and this is what we've been talking about. So why would they have something else in there?
Because they're trying to trick you.
Yeah,
they're sneaky.
I know. If they would just keep the wording the same for everything, then I would be.
You would think, right?
This class.
If they would keep things just the chapter material and not move it all around, I'd be doing great too.
They're trying to teach you to think critically, guys.
I don't want to.
Oh goodness. Okay, I haven't looked ahead, so I don't know when we should start like weighing stuff, weighing our delicious Cliff Bars. Maybe I should look ahead.
Well, I was gonna say, if it's all right with you, I think tomorrow I'll be able to go ahead and get question 10 knocked out, and then I won't be holding it up.
Oh yeah, no worries, man. You'll be good. Then Santiago will turn it in before Saturday, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because
Okay.
the rating and stuff doesn't go till. I mean, you think if we're gonna go each step, there's 5 steps, right?
Yeah.
Right.
So I mean, getting the data isn't until what, the 3rd step? Is that right?
Good question. Let me find out.
So I don't know if you can skip steps or do multiple steps in a week, but
Let's just not. But I don't know. You guys have so much going on. I have so much going on. Let's just
Play it safe. Get it in.
but I mean.
Oh
I'm just-
wait, step 2 is collect the data. Sorry, go ahead.
I don't know. So step 2 is collect the data. Okay. So then it's probably next week that we have to do it.
I might find myself with nothing to do, and I'll just drive up to the pharmacy and.
I'm gonna do it on Saturday, just because that's when I go to the stores. So.
Okay.
All right. So we'll just assume that we have now and basically on next week's report. I guess we'll have to fill it out. So just so it's done by next week, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, Ben, do you mind just sending a quick just text or something once you're done with your part, and that way I can know when to submit it?
Absolutely. Yes, sir. I sure will.
Thank you.